Welcome to MedAxcess 3.0. Easier, faster, and better access to the data that matters most. MedAxcess has a new look, feel, and functionality. Best of all, MedAxiom members can now access it from anywhere on an iPhone, iPad, PC, or Mac. Here are the highlights of the new and enhanced features of MedAxcess. The new dashboard feature allows MedAxcess 3.0 users to get a high-level overview within each KPI to see all the measures associated with that KPI. The dashboard shows your practice value in the blue button underneath each dial and your percentile ranking compared to others in the database. You can also change your denominator and filter options from the dashboard. All the dials will update based on your denominator and filter changes. If you want to dive deeper to see how you compare, you can drill down by clicking on the dial, which will take you to the benchmarking and trending graphs for that measure. The custom formula feature gives you the ability to exclude certain metrics out of a measure. If you have a practice that does not report CPT measure 99201, 202, or 203, for example, you can exclude those by unchecking them and then clicking the Apply Math button to recalculate. We enhanced the Stack By feature with a dual Y-axis option. To use this feature, select the Stack option, then select what measures you want to have in the dual Y-axis. Here we are selecting to compare return office visits with total new patients on the dual Y-axis. From here, the user has the ability to select and deselect measures in the legend. The PowerPoint feature is enhanced by allowing you to select which measures you want in the PowerPoint. Once you select those measures and click Generate Report, it begins to generate the images for your PowerPoint. Another new feature is the filter tables. After you have selected one or more filters, while you're on the Benchmarking tab, click on the filter table to see the filter details for that specific measure. Our cumulative measures is new. It allows the user to see how numbers were derived for the benchmarking and trending graph, and also shows their percentile ranking if they submitted data. From the cumulative measure details, you can show details of your value, your percentile ranking, and the ranking of the entire database. These details can also be exported to an Excel file to do additional analysis. The Select Measures feature has been enhanced with a new look, more intuitive location, and is mobile friendly. You can also switch measures by using these arrows from the left vertical navigation. From the Measure Set navigation, users can change, select new, or clear out existing measures. The comparison chart now allows users to change their chart type and denominator for each measure displayed. While in quartile mode, users can click on individual practice bars to identify and compare practices within their pod in the next measure below. You can pick up to 9 bars. If the practice is not within your pod, it will not identify it in the pod member's legend. You can also print the comparison chart. The Profile of Participation tab allows you to select one or more filters to determine the number and types of practices participating for each measure. With the pie charts, you can click on each slice or the legend below to slide it in and out. You can also spin them. From the Profile of Participation page, you have the ability to print, change your denominator and chart type, select other measures, add, change, and remove measures. Thanks for taking a tour of the new MedAxcess 3.0. This is an exclusive MedAxiom membership benefit, one of the most valuable and powerful tools you have at your disposal. Be on the lookout for more information, including upcoming webinars to take you more deeply into the features and benefits of MedAxcess 3.0.